Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple email addresses using just one Gmail account. A smart trick to organize your inbox better without setting up new accounts. Let's begin by opening Gmail on your desktop. At the top right, click the settings icon, that's the gear symbol. From the drop down, select See All Settings to open the full settings dashboard. Next, click the Account and Import tab. This is where you can manage sending and receiving emails from different addresses. Now, instead of creating separate accounts, here's a clever trick. Gmail lets you add variations to your existing address using the plus sign. For example, if your email is anyesamuel2018@gmail.com, you can use anyesamuel2018 plus work@gmail.com or anyesamuel2018 plus newsletter@gmail.com. All of these will still arrive in your main inbox, but you can use a filter to organize them automatically based on the variation. You don't need to verify anything, and there's no need to add this address manually in the settings. Just use the modified addresses wherever needed, and Gmail handles the rest. It's perfect for separating personal emails from work, subscriptions, or online sign-ups, all while keeping things under one roof. And that's it, guys. You now know how to create multiple Gmail addresses using a single account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.